Weeknights are intense for moms.
Hey babe, can you wash my shirt for tomorrow?
I'm really hungry.
Mom!
My secret for making weeknights easier, my one skillet chicken and veggie meal. Hi, I'm JuliAnn and I'm a mom and grandmother, and I am so glad that you're here. Our channel is dedicated to building cast iron strong families by making delicious recipes in the kitchen with your kids. We have new videos every Wednesday, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. So we're starting with a little bit of a different skillet today. We have a ceramic coated cast iron skillet because we're gonna be making a sauce and we don't want it to get too hot. This keeps it a little bit cooler than your traditional cast iron, so let's go. We've got olive oil heated up about medium low, and then we're gonna just take some chicken thighs and we're gonna just dredge them. Really, really simple, don't have to get all crazy. Just dredge them, just wanna get a little bit of crisp on it. So I'm gonna put it right here in here, get those going. And we're gonna cook these about 4 minutes aside. And now we're just gonna take it off, put it on a plate. I like to put some paper towels there to soak up a little bit of that grease. And these chicken thighs are just gonna rest while we make our sauce. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of garlic, nice couple cloves of garlic in here. Get that going. Oh, wow. Okay, and now we're gonna add a little bit of wine, just a little bit of wine. Oh, smell it! It smells so good. And I'm just gonna scrape all of the sticky stuff off the bottom because that has tons of flavor in it. Next, we're gonna add our cream. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, we're gonna add our cream. We got some Parmesan cheese. We're gonna just mix all of that, a couple of minutes. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna add the zest of 2 lemons. And then I'm also gonna just squeeze some lemon juice in here. And squeezing lemons is something that your kids can do to help out. This looks and smells so good. I'll just add a little bit more lemon. Oh, look at those bubbles. So the sauce is thickened for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna turn it down just a tad. Then I'm gonna throw our spinach in. Right, and you can add whatever you want. If your kids don't like spinach, give them something else. You know, there's all kinds of different things. I'm just gonna mix this around just for a moment, get that spinach wilted. So the spinach is wilted now, and so we're just gonna put our chicken right back in, mush it around in there in that beautiful sauce. And then you're gonna cook it for just about a minute longer once you get all that chicken back in. It looks really pretty right now. Okay, now we're gonna add our lemon and basil here. Top it with just a little bit of black pepper. Well, a cooking video wouldn't be a cooking video without a little bit of eating, so here we go. Oh, that lemon. Wait, I think Lily wants some too. I might have to drop a piece, so hang on. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to drop a piece. Come on over here. For more One Skillet recipes, just click right here. And now for our life hack of the week. I love this one. Get your kids involved. So have them prepare that flour mixture and let them dredge the chicken in there before you put it in the skillet. That way they get to participate and they feel part of that meal and they're gonna be more apt to eat it.